Today we're diving into the features of the Graco SnugRide SnugLock 35LX infant car seat, a top choice for parents seeking safety and convenience. This rear-facing car seat is designed to protect infants weighing from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall, offering peace of mind with its TrueShield advanced side impact protection that safeguards your child from head to hips in the event of a side impact. The SnugLock technology allows for a hassle-free installation in less than 1 minute using either the vehicle seatbelt or latch system, while the easy-to-read level indicator helps eliminate any guesswork. For added convenience, the car seat features a one-hand adjustable handle for easy in and out access and a silent shade canopy that adjusts quietly without disturbing your baby. Its lightweight design makes carrying a breeze, and the adjustable base with 4 recline positions ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. With these thoughtful features, the Graco SnugRide SnugLock 35LX is a reliable choice for keeping your little one safe and comfortable on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.